Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about centering text in columns in Google Sheets. And what I'm about to show you works in both Mac OS as well as Windows PCs if you're looking at Google Sheets from within the Google Chrome browser, or for that matter, any other browser. Here's a spreadsheet that I have open, and this is what I want to do. You'll see that in this column here, star rating, all the text is flush right, or in the case of some of these bigger cells, it's at the very bottom of the cell. And what I want to happen is, first I want the text to be horizontally centered, so it's lined up right in the middle here. And then, if it's for a larger cell, I want it to be kind of vertically centered as well. And this is how to do it. So I'll just start with this big cell right here. The Google Sheets toolbar at the top has lots of different icons. The one that you want is horizontal align. That's the first one we're going to do. And you can see it's selected right. We want to do center. So click on center, and you can see it's centered there. And then what we're going to do is select this button here. This is the vertical align. Select that. Right now it's at the bottom. We want it to be in the middle. And it's like that. And you may be thinking, well, what about the rest of the cells? Because they're all not oriented correctly. So basically what you would do is the same thing. You'd select the whole column and then do the same thing with the buttons. If you do not see the buttons, for some reason the toolbar is hidden or you can't find it, just go to Format and look for the alignment. So I'm going to select Center. That's horizontal centering. And then I'm going to go back to it again, Align, and select Middle. And you can see it did it for all the cells in this column. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Sheets, I've written a book called Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. It also covers Sheets as well as Forms and some other tools in the Google Suite. It's available from in30minutes.com. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.